Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Find All version 2.0, I'm going to show you an updated version of the Find All plugin that you're going to want to try out today. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone that you think will enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content every week. Now, let's take a look at this fun plugin. I have a document open, and typically you can press hyperkey F or F5 in order to open the default Find window. However, this only allows you to search for one instance of a word at a time. You can press Ctrl L to move to the next instance, or Shift Ctrl L to move to the previous instance, but it still is only finding one word at a time. And so the Find All plugin allows you to find all instances of a word at once. So I'm going to close this document. I'll go to Plugins, I'll go to Available, and in the list I can find All command. I'll choose Download, and if you're prompted to choose between version 1 or version 2, make sure that you choose the most recent version. Once you do that, you'll be prompted that the download has been completed, and next you can select the plugin and enable it. I'll press OK to exit the plugin store, and I'll be prompted to restart Eclipse. I'll choose Yes to restart. I'll select my user and press OK. And I'll open up the same document again. And if I go and look at the plugin, it says that it's going to add a new command to the Move menu that says Find All Instances. So let's close out of the plugin menu and go to Move. And we see Find All Instances right here at the bottom of the list. So now I can type in the word or phrase that I want to look for, and I get a dialog box that shows me every instance of that phrase or word and the context that it appears in. And I can click on any of these instances to jump to that specific place in the document. And if I want to, I can go to User Settings, Edit, Keyboard, click Add, select Move, Find All Instances, and assign this to a keystroke of my choice. So now I can press my keystroke, enter the text that I'd like to find, and click on every instance of the word that I'd like. And again, I can repeat pressing the keystroke and search for any word or phrase that I'd like. I can expand the window so that I can see all of the text that I want to see. And if I want to make this window bigger, I can go to User Settings, Display tab, and where it says Default Dialog Zoom, I can increase this number. That way the text in the window will be larger. So now the text is a little bit larger, allowing me to see it better if I desire. And you can simply close this window when you're done with it. This plugin is easy to use and can help you make sure that you're aware of all instances of a word or phrase in your document and make sure that it's correct. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Keep an eye out on your notifications for new videos in the future. Thank you and have a great day.